If you are traveling to Dumaguete City, you have to try this famous chicken and asal. Hey guys, Kenneth here. And nagdine-in mi diri sa Joe's Chicken and Ato, and they are located sa Silliman Avenue, Dumaguete City. They have several branches here in Dumaguete City, and lami sa jud ang ilahang food. Their business started in 1970. Then fast forward, they expanded their business and they have several branches in Dumaguete City, Tacloban, Bohol, Bayawan City, and Siquijor. And since they are really famous with their chicken and asal, we have to try it. And this is what we ordered. We ordered their famous pecho chicken and asal and adobong kangkong. And I love their adobong kangkong. It was so good and sakto ra ang timpla. Then for their chicken and asal, it was also good, well marinated. Then sakto ra sa jud ang timpla. We really enjoy the food and we will definitely go back. And I do hope mag-open sila branch diri sa Cebu. So if you are traveling to Dumaguete, you should try Joe's Chicken and Ato. And salamat sa pagtanaw.